Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fill text in Bambu Studio. So let's get straight into it. Right click. So we will use this method for flat surfaces. And then we will go to multicolor flash text, and also we will try to fix model like broken text files. So let's start with the first one, which is for flat surfaces right here. So right click on your model, on your build plate, and hover over add modifier. So add modifier and select cube. All right, right here. Now click the scale tool, so which is up here, or you can press S key on your keyboard and uncheck the uniform scale. Uncheck that. Uh, like that. And now what we are going to do is we will squish this until uh, it's very thin or flat. So let me look right here. So we can do it a little bit more, let's say something like that. Now what you're going to do is you will move this flattened cube directly over the text if you have it. So imagine we have text right here. So I will also do it like that. And make sure the modifier is set to use the same filament color as your main model. When you click the slice plate, and yeah, after that the gap will needs to disappear. Now for multicolor flash text. So if we want the text to still be there, but you want it to be filled in with a different color, uh, the surface stays completely smooth. So we will do it now. Just let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so click on your model and open the text tool. So right now I'll delete that. Click on text tool here in this top toolbar, like that. I will move it a little bit like that. Type your text position in it on the model and set your desired depth. So I will put it here, and let's say I will put my depth 1. So you will put it here, embedded depth, and type in the number you would like. Now what we are going to do is pick a different filament color for the text. So how we can do that? We will select it here on the left side where you see this text shape, and in the right you will see this uh, black one. So this is basically the filament right over here. So what we are going to do is just press on it, and now you see that we can change from 5 color. Basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. So if we want yellow, or we can also add another filament. So you can put it right here, filament and plus icon, uh, and uh, right here number 6, and we can change this color. If you have orange, maybe we can put it to orange, and now the text will be orange, as you can see. And this is basically for multicolor flash text like that. Now, if you downloaded a file and the text missing holes or is glitchy space that looks completely broken, what we can do is right click the model on the workspace and select fix model right here. So now if you are on Windows, you can also just click the blue repair link inside the pop-up box that appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. Um, but the software will automatically patch up the broken spaces. And yeah, this is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next